Thanks for visiting my channel again. Bob Maverick Outdoors, much appreciated. I've got a couple of little things to show you what I picked up. They're only cheap off Amazon. I thought might be a good idea, especially with leave no trace ethos even. It's easy to say for you. But anyway, I'll go ahead and show them you. Basically what it is, it's a portable fire pit. And just thought it might be handy to use for cooking on, plus you don't have to have a fire on the ground. And a tripod, aluminium tripod. So I just thought I'd set these up and see if they're any good for using while I'm camping. They're not much weight, so I know it all adds up the weight, but you know it's worth carrying in it. I'm more into comfort nowadays than carrying my weight. I'm not bothered. I'll get a bit closer if I can and be more comfortable. I'll start by setting this little fire pit up. It weighs under a kilo. Ten inches long, or 250 millimeters, and about 4 inches in diameter. Just like a little Oxford canvas, cheap canvas bag that it comes in, but it's got a little handle on top. It zips around the top, and that'll show you what's inside. Inside, dropped a clip. Inside you get these that's how it comes folded up. You get little sections of legs that actually spigot into each other. There's the other pins. You get this thin stainless steel mesh, and it's 420 by, it's roughly the same, 420 by 420 millimeters. So it's 16 inch by 16 inch. And that's what you get there. It's very fine stainless steel mesh. The leg system, you've got four pieces of rubber feet on, and at the top these are parallel, and then you've got four more pieces that are, I think these are parallel as well. Yeah, these are parallel. These go on top to support the stainless steel mesh. And you have this contraption here. This. Now, the legs, well, you can set any way you want. Legs go at bottom, obviously. You just slot inside each other. Like so. You have these extensions that go in here. Way up. Yeah, they do. 1, 2. They're aluminium, they're made of aluminium. Basically, this end's flured. That end fits into it. And it falls out like that as well. In this mesh, you get these stainless steel here we go. Stainless steel clips that go in the ends of this mesh. Right way around. And that's it, fully assembled. It weighs absolutely nothing. It looks like it can support a bit of weight. I think it can support up to 5 kilos. Well, 5 kilos is quite big really, I think, for a fire. Especially if you sat close to it, should be good enough. So there's a fire pit, and you also get an extra clip in case you lose one. And obviously the pouch. Well, I should imagine if you lose these clips, they're easily enough to make. You know, it's just a bit of wire bent into shape. So that basically, that's the fire pit. And this is a aluminium camping tripod. Now this is heavier than the fire pit. I think it's about 1.5 kilos. It comes with these bars that are threaded on one end and receiver thread on the other end. 4 of them have got points on them, the feet. So that tells you where the bottom is. You just screw together. Basically each leg, 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. One's got a point on for a foot, the other one ends up with a thread. And you end up with 3 legs, obviously, because it's a tripod. Yeah. Then you've got this bit here with an adjustable chain and a hook, and it's threaded on a bevel underneath. And it's flat on top, beveled underneath. Tripod screws into the bevel underneath. Basically, there's the tripod. tripod has a soldered link chain, a hook on the end, and it has a straight pin, well, with a slight kink on it on the other end. And this is so you can adjust the height. So basically you've got a fire here. You can adjust the height of the pot, you know, closer to your embers or higher, or I think it's a good idea. Probably won't last that long, it's just a thin mesh, but I think it were about £10.50 or something like that, so we get a few camps out of it, I'll be quite happy. And I'll burn it later and let you know how it does. I quite like the idea of using this instead of having a fire on the ground. You know, portable fire pit. So looks like it'll be handy. You'll have to let me know what you think. Would you use it? Would you not use it? Would you use natural materials outside? Or would you carry this around for ease of use and comfort? I'll let you know long term, eventually, whether I'd use it all the time or not. But it seems quite good to me. I like it. It's worth a try anyway, that's for sure. Right, go and light it up. Gets a lot of air circulation from underneath, so your wood will burn quite quick, I should imagine. See what it's like when I've got some coals on the bottom. Yeah, so I think it'll do the job. It's nicely. Let that burn out now and see what condition it's in. Still getting some heat off them coals. Yeah, you could still cook on them. Let's leave them to burn out. Good thing is, little bottle of water on that, you're off. Believe it or not, it's burnt away to nearly nothing now. And there's still a bit of heat off them coals. In fact, there's quite a lot of heat off them coals. And it looks nearly out. Alright, well, it's cool enough to move about, but there's still plenty of heat. The good thing is heat comes off from underneath it as well. So you could probably put your boots underneath and dry your boots out while you're near the fire. Put your feet under there, dry your boots out. Happy days. Tripod's done well. There's a bit of soot about, so I'll put my gloves on and give it a bit of a wipe down. But it's burnt to nearly nothing. Good. It's worked well. It's alright, bit of a brush down. Yeah, stainless is alright, it's discoloured, but it works alright. All the pieces stored inside here. With this, you could brush it off, but you just fold it in half. Wrap it round. In the bag. There you go. Job right. There you go. We'll see you out and about when I'm using it. Hope it helps. Worth getting, I think. See you all later.